India has taken a big leap forward. ISRO, India's space agency that is credited for the Chandrayaan-3 mission, has once again made the country proud. At the Semicon India 2025 conference, India got Vikram-32, the country's first made-in-India space rocket processor. Now every rocket that leaves Earth carries not just science and ambition, but also a computer at its heart. A brain that guides them through the most challenging conditions of space. Vikram-32 is that brain. The Vikram-32 is basically a successor to the Vikram-160, the processor that has powered ISRO's launch vehicles since 2009. In 2016, the Vikram-1601, developed under the Make in India initiative, was introduced. But both these chips used a custom design to handle vital data for scientific and space missions. Vikram-32 is a tough, power-efficient computer chip which is designed to handle complex tasks and withstand the harsh conditions of outer space. The processor also ensures that all components of a spacecraft can communicate with each other properly. In the case of Vikram-32, ISRO built its own set of software as well. Think of them as the essential tools that let engineers write, test, and even run programs. Once these tools were ready, ISRO tested the first batch of Vikram-32 processors in space in December 2024. The chip was placed inside the module, which is like a mini lab that carries experiments into orbit. So as we mentioned earlier, Vikram-32 marks a significant step in India's semiconductor and space journey. This chip not only strengthens self-reliance by reducing dependence on imported chips, but also provides a processor which is tailor-made for rocket launches and the extreme environment of outer space. So that's all about the Vikram-32, India's first 32-bit space processor. From smaller launches to future deep space missions, this chip will be the new brain behind ISRO's rockets. So do you think India's decision to build its own processors for space can have critical impact on future missions? Let us know in the comment section below. And for more such tech updates, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। जय हिंद।